I'll show you how to install JetBrains Toolbox and all the JetBrains IDE. Open your favorite browser and search for JetBrains Toolbox. Click the first link to enter the download pages and hit the download button. Pages contains few others resources. Check if you are interested. Extract the file. Open a new terminal here. ls command returns us the directory list. We can hear only one file. Then type the following command. Then it will automatically install the JetBrains Toolbox. You can see all the necessary IDE are there. Click the Install button to install. In my case, I'm installing DataSpell, which powerful data science tool.